In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Ecwid, a valuable task for those managing an online store across different countries or wanting to update their store's default currency. First things first, let's navigate to the Ecwid homepage. You're going to want to visit Ecwid's official site. It's the jumping off point where all the magic begins. Once you're there, take a moment to appreciate the user-friendly design that greets you. Now, to dive into the specifics, look for the login button typically located on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you closer to where you need to be. It's this kind of simple navigation that makes Ecwid a joy to work with. The login page is where the journey to customizing your online store really gets underway. Here's where it gets a little more personal: signing in. If you've streamlined your online accounts, you'll appreciate the sign in with Google option. It's a quick way to access your Ecwid account without remembering another password. Select this and you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one you used for Ecwid or the one you prefer using for your business transactions. After you've successfully logged in, you will be directed to the Ecwid control panel. This control panel is your command center where you can adjust various settings, including the one we're interested in today, the currency setting. Within the Ecwid control panel, navigate to the settings option, just hover over it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. This menu is like the backbone of your store's operations, holding a variety of settings for your store's operations. But today we're focusing on just one aspect. So, from that drop-down menu, click on General. This is where you can adjust the foundational settings of your store, including the language, store name, and most importantly for our purposes, the currency setting. Next, you'll want to click on Regional Settings. This section is crucial for tailoring your store to specific markets, ensuring that your products resonate with your target audience, both in terms of language and currency. Once you're in the Regional Settings page, you'll find the option for currency. Here's where you can select the currency you prefer. This flexibility allows you to align your store's pricing with your target market's locality, making your products more accessible and understandable to potential buyers. Choosing the right currency is not just about the symbol that appears next to your prices. It's about making a connection with your customers, ensuring they feel at home in your store. So when you select your currency, think about your primary audience. Are you targeting a domestic market or looking to expand internationally? Your currency choice plays a significant role in this strategy. Remember, changing the currency not only affects how prices are displayed, but can also influence your billing and payment processing. So make this change with consideration of both your customer base and your business operations. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that while this process is straightforward, the impact is substantial. Updating your store's currency can have far-reaching implications for your sales and customer satisfaction. It's a small tweak that can significantly enhance how local or global customers perceive your online store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the currency setting on your Ecwid store. Whether you're aiming to align your online shop with local market expectations or preparing to take your business global, adjusting the currency is a critical step in making your store accessible to a wider audience. Remember, the key to a successful online business is not just about having great products, but also about making sure those products are presented in a way that resonates with your target customers, and currency is a big part of that equation. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in tailoring your Ecwid store to meet the needs and expectations of your valued customers, no matter where they are in the world.